Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ani, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the shake that ass challenge, or like the make it twerk challenge, whatever it's called. But I'm about to show you step by step, so let's go ahead and get into this. All right, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the She Got a Big Old Booty challenge on TikTok. I'm gonna show you how it's done. First thing, disclaimer, y'all, it costs to kind of use either way to do this video. You can go through Video Leap, which costs you monthly, and nobody really wants to do that. And then you could also do it through Adobe on the computer, and then it's like, you don't want to do that either. So for my iPhone users, I am going to show you guys how to do this without paying for it. It's kind of like a finesse. But for my Android users, you guys may have to go, kind of link up in the comments and figure out how to screen record on Android phones. So maybe you guys can help each other out with that. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. So let me bring you closer and let's get into this. Okay guys, so now that we are up close and personal, you want to make sure your photo or your your phone is sitting upright, so that way you have it propped up against something. And you also want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now y'all, I opened up my TikTok app because I like to use the filters through TikTok. So if you want to add a cute little bling effect, you can do that. So to do that, I'm going to go to my effects, and I am just going to scroll down, and you should see bling effect right here. So I'm going to click my bling effect, and now I'm all shiny and sparkly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have my sound. So the sound of it is called Shake That Ass by J. Earl. So if you're looking for it, you can use it. And then you also wanna click your timer. Now you wanna use your timer so that way you can be in space. Let me back up and show you guys where you need to be. So the best place to be is right in the center of your screen. And then you want to also be within, a little distance between your head and the ceiling, so that way you're able to zoom in, okay? So let's start my timer. And you begin the video. I'm gonna mute this because of copyright issues, but I will tell you guys the next steps once complete. All right, so now that I have my video here, I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Now, you want to post this video on Only Me, which is private, because you are gonna need to download this video once complete. So I'm going to post it. I'm gonna allow it to upload privately. So remember that. Now that it's uploaded privately, I'm gonna go ahead and save my video. Once it's saved, I'm gonna close out my TikTok app, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my Video Leap app. And you want to start with a new Canva. So I'm going to start with the new Canva, and I'm going to select my most recent TikTok video, and I'm gonna click Add Project. Now, y'all, I cannot stress this enough. The most important step is tapping on this box right here, because that's the way of selecting your video. So you want to do that, and then you want to click this little diamond-like icon right here at the bottom what's this called again? Keyframe. Keyframe. That's right, y'all. Zay is the camera guy, so he does it the best. But anyway, so yes, you want to keyframe right here, and then you want to zoom in, y'all. So when you're zooming in, you want to make sure that you're staying towards the center of your video. And then you want to scroll all the way down. But you want to scroll down to where you're like, perfectly parallel. So yeah, and then you want to scroll all the way over to the end of your video and scroll all the way up. So you want to make sure it's centered. There we go. All right, so now I can go ahead and, so before we do anything else, I want to stress to you all the importance of doing this part. Now, you can expand your screen and basically watch it in full play. The easy part of finessing having to pay for this is by screen recording. Because if you don't, to get out of this, you're gonna end up having to pay for it. So export, and you're gonna basically be locked into trying to pay for it. So the best way to do it is to just screen record for my iPhone users. Make this a big screen and press play. Now, once it is done recording and moving all the way up, you wanna take the time to basically continue and stop recording. Now, the way to get your video minus all of the other things that you're using, you wanna go back over to your photo app and you want to select the most recent video that you did while recording. So now I wanna click edit and I'm going to trim my video. So I'll trim it from here. And I'm gonna trim my ending as well to about here. So now I can click done, save video, and there you have it. So now you are ready to go ahead and go over to your TikTok app. So I'm gonna close out my video app, go back through my TikTok app, and then you're going to upload your recent video, y'all. It's as simple as that. And click next. I already have my sound. I don't need to trim it. And there you go, y'all. You basically have your video. And it's muted because of copyright issues again, but that is the best way. Now you're ready to upload your video. So now you are a TikToking king or queen. You basically got this down. Anybody could do it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Before you go, make sure you check out my lip gloss line, Glossy Cosmetics, honey, because it's handmade and glosses wear glossy, y'all. It would be cute if you was on TikTok doing the dance with my lip gloss. Like, that would be cute. So make sure you guys check it out. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy. I'll see you guys next time. All you have to do, hold on, one more time. All right, so
That's gonna be killing me.